While designing a multi-layer board, signals are drawn from one layer to another using vias. It's convenient, but also creates stubs, which causes signal distortion in high-speed designs. The best way to get rid of stubs is backdrilling. With OrCAD, you can easily generate manufacturable backdrill data. To remove the stubs, we will have to update the connector pin Padstack with backdrill information. Go to the Tools menu and select Padstack, then Modify Design Padstack. Now either find the pin from the list in the Options pane or click on the board to select it. Next, click on Edit in the Options pane to open the Padstack Editor. There are lots of options and configurations in the Padstack Editor, but we'll focus just on those that apply to backdrilling. Open the Secondary Layer tab and enable Backdrill. This will enable the backdrill section on all other tabs. Enter the required backdrill information like drill diameter, nomenclature, pad size, keep out, and masking layer in the corresponding tabs and exit the Padstack Editor. You can use the same Padstack Editor to update backdrill information for other pins in your design. After updating the information about pins and vias in your design, go to the Manufacturer menu and select Backdrill. You'll be asked to specify from where you want to drill them, the top, the bottom, or both. Enter the deepest layer for backdrill generation from the top and bottom layers. You can also skip this option and make your own layer pairs. Next, the Backdrill Setup and Analysis window will open showing all layer pairs. Here, the must not cut layer is defined to maintain the remaining manufacturing stub length after backdrilling. Plunges is the number of possible backdrill locations. Click on Analyze to see the number of plunges in each combination. Backdrill is an expensive manufacturing process, so you can select only the necessary plunges for backdrilling instead of all combinations. Now, close this report and click on Backdrill. Click OK and zoom in to the pin you want to backdrill. You'll see the backdrill legend on the pins. You can find all backdrill data for a pin using Show Element from the toolbar and selecting the pin. With OrCAD, you can easily generate manufacturable backdrill data and share it with your manufacturer.